Hi, I'm Anthony, owner of Anthony's Affordable Heating and Air Conditioning. We've been in business since 1996 for over 22 years, serving York County and the surrounding areas with quality heating and air conditioning services. At Anthony's Affordable Heating and Air Conditioning, we strive to provide quality heating and air conditioning services for our customers and help them understand how their system works and what repairs or service is needed to keep that system up and running efficiently.